going to put the new oil in the car now. So the first thing we need to do is take off the oil cap. There. Easy as pie. And the funnel. This is why we need the funnel. Put it in there. Is this screw? No? You just put it in? I guess you just put it in. And put our oil. And what? You just put the whole thing?
Only,
how many?
4 quarts, and then we'll
4
check.
quarts. So this is
5.
5 quarts. And oh, okay. So there's a measuring thing on the side, and we only need 4 quarts. So I guess that's how we know.
Make sure you don't. There you go.
That's pretty fast. That was pretty scary.
We got a long ways to go.
Is this
Check
the whole
it.
thing?
No, check it.
It was.
Where is it right now?
So we need.
Till you get to the 1.
You get the 1? Okay. It's hard to see. Can you see it?
It's like at 1.5. I don't know. Set it that like this kilo one.
Okay, almost. Okay. Yay.